I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Do not put saliva in or near your eyes. You start by eliminating the hazard. Wash your hands thoroughly for 20 seconds and immediately flush the eye with sterile saline or clean bottled water for 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, avoid rubbing. Blinking gently helps clear debris. Make sure to note onset time and any changes in vision or pain, because these details matter when you contact a clinician. Do not attempt home remedies with bodily fluids. Call a health professional right away. Instead of saliva, use sterile 0.9% saline eye drops or preservative-free artificial tears to soothe irritation. These are formulated to match your eye's surface. Once comfort is restored, adopt supportive habits. Practice 10 slow blinks every 20 minutes while using screens to maintain tear film, stay hydrated, and prioritize 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Make sure to include foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin for retinal support. If symptoms persist or vision worsens, book an eye exam without delay. To finish, arrange a professional eye exam within 24 to 48 hours when symptoms continue. An optometrist or ophthalmologist can evaluate corneal damage or infection. Once evaluated, follow prescribed treatments exactly and avoid contact lens wear until cleared. Make sure to monitor for red flags, worsening pain, light sensitivity, discharge, or reduced vision, which require immediate emergency care. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is rapid medical evaluation. Early treatment prevents complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.